Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the platform and camera mount. This gets everything rigid. Mount a 12x12 plywood or acrylic board to a stable table, then attach an L bracket where the camera will sit. Use a ball head and a 1/4-20 screw so you can angle the camera precisely. Once done, clamp the board to the table to stop vibration, and make sure the camera height aligns with your subject plane. This prevents perspective shifts and simplifies animation. Next, create the adjustable arm and control system so you can nudge scenes precisely. Fix a threaded rod or extendable camera arm to the L bracket. Add a macro slider or a short rail for consistent 1/2 to 1/8 inch moves. You want fine increments because small shifts look smooth on playback. Once the arm is fixed, run the cable from camera to phone or intervalometer neatly, and mark your start positions with tape to reproduce exact moves. This saves time and maintains continuity. Finish by testing and locking down any variable that causes flicker or movement. Capture a short 20 to 30 frame test at your target FPS, 12 to 24, then play it back. If you spot jitter, tighten all clamps and secure the camera mounting points. If exposure changes between frames, set manual exposure and lock focus. Once solved, diffuse your lights to remove harsh shadows, and you're ready to shoot the full sequence. Remember, small adjustments now save hours later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.